In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your eBay draft listings. Whether you're an occasional seller or running an online store, staying organized is key, especially with your draft listings on eBay. Let's dive into it and make sure you can access your drafts swiftly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to eBay.com. Once the page loads, look for the login section, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and log in with your account credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might need to follow those additional steps to get securely logged in. Logging in is crucial as you won't be able to see your drafts without accessing your account first. Once you're logged in, your next task is to locate the Sell button. Typically, this button can be found near the top of the homepage. Clicking on Sell takes you to the selling section of your account. This area is a hub for all your selling activities, where you can manage your current listings, see items you've sold, and importantly, access your drafts. Now in the Selling Overview page, focus your attention on the left-hand menu. Here you will see several options that allow you to navigate through different aspects of your selling dashboard. Look for the option labeled Drafts and click on it. This section is dedicated to all the draft listings you've previously created but haven't published yet. It's helpful for sellers who may have started listing an item but needed to step away before completing the process. Clicking on Drafts brings up a page displaying all your saved draft listings. You'll find each draft with the title, along with details like when it was last edited. From here you can choose to review, edit, or delete them as needed. This functionality is particularly useful if you're preparing seasonal items or planning a big product launch. Remember, keeping your drafts updated and organized is fundamental. It makes it easier when you're ready to put those items live on eBay. You can also leverage this feature to track items you plan on listing soon, allowing you to prepare descriptions, pricing, and shipping options in advance. That's all you need to do to find your eBay draft listings. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now more confident about managing your drafts on eBay. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.